Hello, it is Michael Reid once again coming to you guys from Premier Martial Arts in Marietta, Georgia, and the Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies. I want to say thank you to all of our students, family members, and supporters for being here for us as we made our transition to the new facility. Things are going quite well and we're super excited. Right now I have Sifu Brenda and I have Sensei John down doing Krav Maga training at the Premier Martial Arts Symposium in Texas. Mr. Blake is also down there working on business systems. So our goal is to bring you guys the best training anywhere in the country and also run the best martial arts school in the southeastern United States. That's our focus and that's what our goal, that's what we're gonna do. It is February, so don't forget next week is Valentine's Day. Kuntao Silat training is this coming Sunday and the following Sunday. We have a white belt buddy badge on the first day of March, okay? And then I have none other than Dr. George Love, the Blue Dragon himself, coming to town, okay, to do training at the end of this month. On the 22nd of February, he is going to offer a very, very unique cooking and eating experience where he's going to lecture about food. He's going to then teach us all how to prepare delicious dishes, and you'll get to eat them too. So please pay attention to that. And then the following 2 days, he's going to teach Qigong. And that Qigong is going to be encompassing, meaning that whether you're a beginner or whether you're advanced, there's something there for you. One of the great things that I love about Dr. Love is that he has layer after layer after layer of understanding so that it helps facilitate our growth. I'm also going to have him say a few words about the upcoming trips or upcoming workshops. So with all that being said, guys, thank you for supporting Premier Martial Arts. Thank you for supporting the Academy of Qigong and Internal Studies. And as I always say, aloha, terima kasih, and one love.
Hi Atlanta, I'm Dr. George Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy, and I'm coming to your town, Marietta, Georgia, to teach you a special cooking class on Friday, February 22nd. You're gonna learn meat substitute cooking class. We're gonna cover jackfruit, we're gonna cover maitake and shiitake mushrooms, and we're gonna cover tempeh. And you're gonna find delicious dishes to make. I'm gonna teach you seasoning, sauces, and dips. You're gonna love it. Friday, February 22nd, Marietta, Georgia. Go to atlantaqigong.com to register. And I've taught cooking classes all over the world. Google it. Hello, Atlanta. I'm Dr. George Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy, and I'm here to invite you to Reid's premier martial arts in Marietta, Georgia, February 23rd and 24th for some next level medical Qigong. For the novice, we've got Thai yoga, which includes Tai Chi yoga and Qigong, and Tibetan Qigong. And for the seasoned Qigong practitioner who already knows Qi cups, we've got Dragon Qigong. We've got Flying Dragon, Swimming Dragon, Dragon Palm, and Dragon Climbs Mountain. You're gonna love it. It's intense and exciting. So, February 23rd, 24th, Marietta, Georgia, Reid's Premier Martial Arts. Go to atlantaqigong.com to register. I'm Dr. George Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy.